to the TruckaNomics. You about to learn everything you need to know about the trucking industry, man. I'm gonna show you how to get this money, man. It's the GM, man. Put on your thinking caps. Come get your truck, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the one and only, the GM, TruckaNomics. You already know what we're gonna do here, man. I want to welcome you guys to the YouTube channel. This is gonna be a home for everything trucking, dispatch, truck funding, dealing with drivers, funding, financing, how-to, truck repairs, do's and don'ts in the trucking industry. All right, I am the GM. You may know me as the Iron King on other YouTube channels, and you may know me as Doctor, the Credit Doctor on Boost Your Score. Definitely want to check that out. But on here, this lovely channel, I am the GM of TruckaNomics. And I've been doing this trucking thing for over 10 years, all right? Made well over 6 figures. Had some ups, had some downs, had some smiles and some frowns. But at the end of the day, it's time. My calling is to give back all the information I know to make sure that you don't go through any of the hiccups that I had, and that you can have a successful financial experience in the trucking industry. The transportation industry is always going to exist. It's always going to be here. You just got to learn where to go and how to go to get the goals. That may not even make sense, but it don't matter, because at the end of the day, it's about winning. All right, and everyone, the only way to win is to have a winning mindset, winning team. But not only that, you got to know how to win. If you don't know what you're doing, how can you do what you're trying to do? A lot of people jump in this trucking thing, man. And this is an intro, but I'm going to give you the first no-nos. The first no-no, well, first of all, we're in one of my truck yards. As you see, there's trucks everywhere. I'll be doing YouTubes from here too, because a buddy of mine who is the mechanic, we are always working on trucks. So this is going to be a great channel, not only for entrepreneur people involved in the trucking, but for truck drivers in general. Because one thing that I learned when I started, you can YouTube everything but how to fix certain stuff on a truck. So some of these minor little dings and minor failures on your truck, instead of going to a mechanic and spending thousands of dollars, you can come on right here in TruckaNomics, get the keys, how to get a quick fix and how to get a quick lick. You feel me? Hold on, that's somebody calling me. See, I'm live and in living color, guys, so this is how I do. It's always going to be raw and uncut. I try not to do any editing and filtering, because this is me. This is what we do. Welcome to TruckaNomics, man. Congratulations. And whoa. Before I cut the tape on myself, I got a how-to trucking from A to Z e-course coming out. It's coming out soon, guys. Once that's out, poof, my goodness, I'm gonna have the ups, downs, and the ins and outs of everything, man. I'm also gonna have a master class for dispatching, so you guys can learn how to dispatch, and also teaching you guys how to hire the drivers, because the key to this trucking, it just ain't just looking good like me. The key to this trucking is the drivers. They are your X factor. Good drivers, bad drivers, they make the bucks. Because if the truck doesn't move, guess what? The truck don't make no bucks. So I'm going to be here to make sure you get the truck bucks. TruckaNomics, baby. Zoom in on my sexy shirt. Oh, I'm the cameraman, so I got to zoom in on myself. AM or PM, we'll show you how to roll your cash out. We'll show you how business fly. We make your business grow. Show you how to get the dough. It's the GM, baby. TruckaNomics. Put on your thinking cap. It's time to learn, yeah.